LaForce, your door opening specialist for life safety and security.
On most closers, there will be 3 adjustment valves. 2 of them together and 1 on the side. The one by itself is more than likely the back check valve. The one in between is your closing speed, your main speed, and the one closest to the hinge is usually your latching speed on it. All 3 of them have to work together to get the door closing smoothly. You can adjust the back check on them. So when you push open, now I tightened up the back check on it. As the door opens up, there's a steady stop with a hard push. What you should have is a nice slow speed at about 75 degrees that the door is slowing down and it doesn't slam into a wall where the wind is not grabbing it and throwing it back. Middle valve, that will be your closing speed. You should have a nice closing speed on it that as she closes from 90 degrees open till close will be about 5 to 7 seconds. By turning the valve closed, you can slow down that closing speed. And you can see how it's slowed down tremendously. And if you give it, even more, you can see where it just about stops. So the valve closest to the hinge is your back checking. At about 12 degrees, you will see that valve kick in. And you can grab it. Now you have to speed it up or slow it down according to where you're at. If it's an outside door, you may want to speed it up so it snaps a little bit and latches. If it's an office door, slow it down so it does not bang on it. Slow, steady, smooth. Anytime you see oil coming out the bottom of the closer, the seals are shot, the closer should be replaced.
Visit our website. LaForce will supply you with expert knowledge and a fully secure entrance.